Hey guys, we're gonna be trying the SweeTart ropes.
As promised.
So yeah, which one do you want to try first?
I want to try this one.
Okay, it's crazy strawberry. I'm super excited for this, you guys. I was waiting for this package for so long. Okay, let's see. Ooh, those are. Oh my gosh, that smells so good.
Oh, yummy.
Do you want to split one?
Sure.
Because I don't want to have two. You can take the bigger.
That's okay. Very good. We're filming a video.
That is really good.
Very, very good. Sorry, that was my mom walking in. Okay, next.
We've got that twisted rainbow punch. Is it like marshmallows inside?
I don't know. What does it say?
I don't know why it tastes marshmallows.
It says, I have no idea actually. Anybody know? What's the white part on the inside? Let us know in the comments.
How do you like open it?
I don't know, but I'm going to do a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Oh boy. That doesn't open.
I have an idea. I open this one with my fingers. Okay. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, they get.
And let's get this
Oh my
video
gosh.
rolled because
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this one smells so much better. Okay. I'm so excited. It's stuck. Okay. This is literally so gorgeous. You're not even.
Come on. The mouth is drooling.
Just open it like this.
Oh, wonderful. Okay, cut it in half. All right. Cheers.
Cheers. I thought this way.
I don't know. I think I like these two. It tastes like Skittles. You know what, guys? You can try them yourselves. I think they're in stores. And hopefully you like them just as much as us. Thank you, Influenster, and thank you, SweeTarts.
Thank you. Bye.